I wasn't there. I'm your kind of dog. Big like a Saint Bernard, small like a Pomeranian, heck, even a funny mixed breed like a Saint Bernardian. There was no way. So I took matters into my own hands. I brought home a parrot. The bird was stupid. Stupid, it refused to talk. And what good is a parrot if it can't talk? I was sure my parents would make me take it back when they fell in love with the stupid bird. But I loved that bird more than they loved me. So I started thinking ways I could do him in. Leaving the window open, putting aspirin in his bird seed. I finally snapped one morning when I came down for breakfast and found him marching all over my waffles. Ha ha! That's it, I said! Your time has come! So I reached for the frying pan and swung it high in the air, and just as I was about to flatten him, he looked up at me and said, "Woof."